Association, Your Lordship might recall, we held a press conference saying that any kind of trolling of any honorable judge for maintaining any opinion that he has independently cannot be permitted. And our friends here from the press, they came rushing to me and they said that you are obstructing freedom of speech. The Supreme Court Bar Association from day one says that trolling of a judge for an expression that he gave in court proceedings is absolutely intolerable, and the executive branch, which is tasked with the regulation of this social media, must do its work, and we maintain that.
With great respect, speaking for myself, you represent the lawyers of this country.
Lord, I do.
And firstly, we must not fear, at least judges must not fear any criticism, no matter how vicious that is.
Lord, criticism is something else.
Yes, insult is something
probably,
else and criticism is something else.
On this bench, we have the Honorable Chief Justice, who has, under very difficult times, was a victim of that. And from 2018 till today, I can claim that I was also, my integrity was, but did that make any difference?
My Lord, let me explain this.
Judges have to rise above these things. No criticism, no matter how vicious, can affect a judge or the judge's integrity or credibility. It is the people's trust in the judge that matters. Lekin, I have a question for you. What do you think was the most serious contempt in the history of this country? The most serious contempt in the judicial history of this country.
My Lord, I'm sorry.
The 3rd of November order passed by a 7-member bench.
Nobody can disagree with that.
Sun to lena zara. The judiciary was restored with people's power, and this court could not dare issue contempt in that matter. That is the phenomena that is before us. आप कह रहे हैं कि ये जो है, ये हाई कोर्ट के जज, सिविल जज जो है, ये कंटेम्प्ट करें. That 7-member bench order was not only violated, the judges were imprisoned, were detained.
I believe the person involved was tried and sentenced to death.
No one was fired, because contempt proceedings in that matter could never be initiated. This court did not have that courage to do it.
Once my Lord finishes the question, I'll try to answer that. Can I answer, my Lord? My Lord, fair criticism on a judgment.
नहीं मैं contempt से
मैं अभी जनाब को जो चूंकि जनाब ने पहले भी एक बात सवाल मुझसे पूछा था उसका जवाब
I've only said that speaking for myself. I faced it. I have never. I have welcomed it. लेकिन मुझे सिर्फ contempt पे आ जाइए.
मैं सर अभी थोड़ा सा.
That was my opinion.
लेकिन ये जो बात आपने की है इसका जवाब मुझे, because this is going live to the public, I have to answer that.
देखें let us not go into this debate. दुनिया भर में एक chilling effect होती है. No one in the world, everywhere, criminal offences are being abolished in matters जो के freedom of expression से relate करता हूँ.
मुझे ये इसी का जवाब
उसमें नहीं we are not here. आप बता देना contempt का आपने लिखा है. जब 3 नवंबर का 7-member bench, a restored judiciary backed by the people, could not initiate contempt proceedings, how do you expect the High Court or a district court judge to do it?
Can that inaction?
It is not inaction, it is a reality.
My Lord, reality is the 6 honorable judges sitting here.
आप इस तरह करें, that matter is still pending. Bring a petition of contempt on behalf of.
I will.
But now they all are retired. This is the dilemma.
Let me, if
Musharraf was also
answers
belatedly this court, you see, forced.
Let me respond to this. Let me respond to this. My Lord, if for myself, the perpetrators of the 3rd of November